In today's video, I'm going to teach you about two standout features of Yandex browser that are really cool, useful, and easy to try. Let's dive right in and explore how these features can enhance your browsing experience. First, let's look at the neural writing and translation tools. To get started, open up your Yandex browser and simply highlight any paragraph of text you come across. This is where the magic happens. Yandex browser's built-in tools allow you to ask the browser to rewrite the text, improve it, or even translate it into another language. How convenient is that? Whether you're drafting a piece of writing and need a bit of polish, or you're reading content in a language that isn't your strongest, these tools can really help streamline your tasks. But that's not all. Try hovering over or clicking on an image with text in it. The browser will automatically translate the content of the image for you. It's a real time saver, especially when you're reading long articles or trying to make sense of content from another language. Now let's move on to the second fantastic feature, built-in privacy and security protections. It's essential to feel secure when you're browsing online, and Yandex browser has made this easier than ever. Head over to the browser settings and enable tracker blocking or turn on protect mode. This feature is designed to alert you as you browse, actively warning you about or blocking dangerous elements such as phishing attempts and insecure Wi-Fi networks. It's all about ensuring your online experience is both safe and secure, without the need for any extra extensions or complicated setups. With these protections, you can browse with peace of mind, knowing that Yandex is working in the background to keep your information secure, and that's all there is to it. Today, we've taken a closer look at how Yandex browser provides you with smart tools for writing and translation, alongside offering strong protections for your online safety. These features make your browsing experience smoother, more efficient, and much safer. In our next video, we'll delve into customizing the browser's appearance and managing tabs like a pro, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.